Good morning, everyone. So, as promised, I'm here with some final tips for the ACC exam. I do understand for some it is going to be after 4-5 days, for some it can be after 10 days, but the anxiety level would be the same. So, I'm just going to give you some final set of tips which is advisable to be used in the exam. The first question which every student has in his mind is, we don't know how to start. I'll simply advise start as per your expertise. In terms of if it is a skill level paper and you have three sections, section A, B, C, then absolutely start from where you really feel comfortable. If you are comfortable doing section A and B on priority, start with section A and B. If you feel section C is more strengthful for you, you feel more confident when section C is done, then start with section C. The another question which can come up is you don't know how a question can turn up that turns up bad only when you start doing it. I'll simply give you a small tip on it. क्वेश्चन को देख के आपको समझ में आ जाएगा इट इज रिलेटेड टू अ टॉपिक विच इज योर स्ट्रेंथ और अ वीकनेस. So looking at the topic itself, you can identify if you will be confidently handling the question or you can get a bit shaken up. तो टॉपिक देख के डिसाइड करना कि एग्जैक्टली कौन सा क्वेश्चन प्रायोरिटी पे करना है. फॉर सेक्शन सी क्वेश्चन देयर इज अ प्रोबेबिलिटी कि पूरा का पूरा क्वेश्चन नहीं आता हो. सो कोई डरने वाली बात नहीं है, जितना आता है उतना करिए. ACCA examination has a wonderful examination system, evaluation system. They do step marking. So even if अगर क्वेश्चन एंड में जाके गलत हो रहा है या उसके 2 पॉइंट्स आपको नहीं आ रहे हैं, जितने भी पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं, they will allot proper marks for that. So there is nothing to panic on that. सेक्शन सी जितना भी आता है वो करिए, स्टेप मार्किंग मिलेगी. मोर चांसेस वुड बी कि आपको 20-20 मार्क्स में से 14-13 मिल जाएंगे. दैट विल एक्चुअली एनेबल यू टू पास द एग्जाम. 2 मार्कर्स में डू नॉट वेस्ट टू मच ऑफ टाइम. सेक्शन बी somehow I recommend after section C is done you should go to section B. एक ही केस के ऊपर 10 मार्क्स मिल जाते हैं. So you are not again and again reading another case and then going up for a 2 marker question. एक ही केस पे 5 में से 2-3 क्वेश्चन कर ही लेते हैं लोग. So you can go ahead with section B also. Another thing which I will say, after choosing how to go, how to move ahead, I'll show you a screen here. पेपर कैसा दिखता होगा. I have taken that from the specimen exam on the ACCA Global website, which is available for everyone. वहां पे थोड़ी सी 2-3 चीजों का ध्यान रखने की जरूरत है. Be very careful on those points. Just a second, let me show you the screen. This is it. So this is an FR paper which I have taken from the ACCA Global's website. It's absolutely there for everyone. I'll just try to show you how to manage this. There are some small tricks which you need to understand while attempting this. So if you see, until and unless you scroll down the whole question and until and unless you look at the whole question, the screen will not move ahead. Screen आगे जाएगा ही नहीं, वो बार-बार में आपको pop-up देगा that you have not gone through the whole screen. If you don't want to see that or if you directly want to reach a question, नीचे देखिए, नीचे एक नेविगेटर का बटन आपको दिख रहा होगा. If you are able to see that, this navigator button will show you कि आप कैसे एक क्वेश्चन से दूसरे क्वेश्चन पे जंप अप कर सकते हैं. So if question 31 you want to start, immediately navigator को ओपन करके question 1 से ही you need to reach question 31. Close this window. I can reach question 32 also here. Question 31 can also be reached. Question 30 can also be reached. This 28 can also be reached. Every question can be reached from here and close the window. So you reach at this question. This question will, until unless you scroll down, it will not move up to the next screen. Now, what is the basic concern which I was just trying to tell you, which majority of the students don't understand? When we talk about any formula, very wisely, very cautiously use the formula. In terms of, let's suppose I'm writing here 2 amounts. This is the plant. Let it be plant. Then I am taking another thing as an intangible asset. And there are 2 items here, 2 amounts here. One is $78,000. Another is $84,000. These are 2 amounts. Now you need to add them, both of these amounts. This is just an illustration I am taking. So what usually students do is they calculate using the calculator, although at this point of time with the remote examination calculator भी आपके पास नहीं होगा, वो भी आपको स्क्रीन से लेना होगा जो यहां दिख रहा है. तो ये कैलकुलेटर यूज करके स्टूडेंट्स पंच हियर. दैट इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक यू डू. we'll simply say or we'll simply advise you use a formula. Now what is the relevance of using a formula? How will the examiner get to know कि आपने formula use किया है कि नहीं किया है? When the examiner will check, he will see your formula also. Can you see this coming up here, D3 plus D4? He will have a look at if you have used the formula or you have punched in the numbers. See, 84,000 was punched in. 78,000 was punched in. It's clearly reflecting on the screen, and when you applied a formula, it is showing the formulas which got applied here. So examiner can absolutely come to know if you have applied a formula, and if certain formulas are open in a particular system of examination, that means it makes some sense. You need to use those formulas. Another point, for main answer, sometimes what happens is there is a working note required. So I will always advise, please write the main solution first and then go ahead with the working note. So your working note, if it is somewhere here and you need to use some amount from here, let's suppose I have done some calculation for plant and this number of plant is coming here. So here at this point, at the upper point in the main answer, I should not punch in 78,000. Rather, what is suggested is I link these cells. It's better to link them so that the examiner can know where this figure is coming from. Anything which is not there directly in the question, you will have to show in the working notes. So this is how you will have to link the cells, and there you can get to know that the linking is to the working note, and there the examiner will also be clear where is this figure flowing from. So this is one piece of advice which I'll give to all the students. Another thing which usually students make a mistake in, this is the second question where a word format is also given to you. So sometimes what happens, you can have an Excel in front of you, you can have a word format also in front of you. Here the question wanted you to comment on the situation. When it is commenting, or specifically the P-level students, when it is about writing a report, I will always say please follow a particular format which is to be used. With terms of format, what I am trying to say is, when it is a report, it is addressed to someone, there is a subject line, there is the date attached, and then there is an introduction of the report. Introduction, then comes the main body. So you need to write considering the introduction paragraph, then the main paragraph, and at the end, the conclusion paragraph should be there. Try to follow the format. अगर रिपोर्ट फॉर्मेट में नहीं होती है तो एग्जामिनर उसमें पूरे मार्क्स देता नहीं है. दैट इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कमेंटिंग, कमेंट कैसे करें? आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु कमेंट दीज इन टर्म्स ऑफ पॉइंट्स. I will personally suggest please don't go ahead with points, rather make it in the form of paragraphs. How? We can talk about the financial perspective of a situation. We can talk about the competitive situation of a perspective or a particular scenario which is given to you. So create a headline, financial perspective, and then start explaining. Start explaining in terms of paragraphs. Now how do you write in the paragraphs? I'm simply just writing it like this. So this goes on, and now what you do is it immediately comes at the downside. This is how this happens. Immediately it goes to the next line. So this should come like this. But this problem comes up in case of an Excel sheet, because Excel sheet will keep on flowing ahead. How? ये आगे चलती जाएगी. Can you see this? ये rows, columns बढ़ते चले जाएंगे. अब ऐसे में आप रिपोर्ट कैसे लिखोगे? अब इसको एक्सेल शीट पे करेंगे कैसे? सो इफ द क्वेश्चन आस्क्स यू टू कमेंट समथिंग हियर, तो ऐसे में क्या होता है, वर्ड में तो अपने आप वो लाइन चेंज हो रही है. यहां पे लेट्स सपोज आई एम राइटिंग समथिंग, लेट्स सपोज दिस इज माय कमेंट व्हिच आई एम गोइंग टू गिव इन द आंसर. अब ये मैंने यहां तक लिख दिया. इट इज शोइंग लाइक कि ये मेरा जितना भी स्क्रीन था उसके ऊपर फिट इन हो गया है. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली व्हाट विल हैपन, द मोमेंट यू विल एंटर इट, वो सीधा आगे निकल जाएगा. दैट मीन्स आपको यहां से स्क्रॉल करके बार बार चेक करना पड़ेगा कि एग्जैक्टली आपने उसको लिखा क्या है. इन दैट केस आई विल ओनली एडवाइस यू वन थिंग. इफ यू कैन सी दी कॉलम्स टिल आई, इट्स बेटर कि आप आई तक रेस्ट्रिक्ट करके अपने आप उसकी लाइन चेंज कर दीजिए. इन दिस सेंस, डू लाइक दिस, keep on doing like this, so that at least you are comfortable while you are seeing what is the comment you have written. You will be in a position to see that on one single page. बार बार ये scroll नहीं करना पड़ेगा. That will be the benefit. Another thing, you will get to know कि कितने lines में आपने comment लिख दिया है, वरना ये इतना लंबा है. You will not get to know कि exactly क्या length आपने किसी explanation में use कर ली है. Be very careful in that. These are very small tricks if you want to use them, if you find them really helpful. Another thing which I will just say, which a lot of students are really worried on, कि कोई भी डेस्क पे पेपर नहीं होगा, स्क्रैच पैड उनको यूज करना होगा कैलकुलेशंस के लिए. आई कैन गिव यू वन सोल्यूशन टू दैट, ऑल्दो दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट वेरी फुल प्रूफ, दैट मे नॉट हेल्प यू रियली वेल. आप एक्सेल शीट जो क्वेश्चन 31 और 32 की आई है, उससे भी कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, लेकिन वहां प्रॉब्लम यही आएगी, आपको बार बार नेविगेट करके जाना पड़ेगा. यहां से बस ये होगा कि यहां पे कैलकुलेशन नहीं होगी, वो आपको कैलकुलेटर से करना पड़ेगा. So in any which ways, there is some or the other problems with everything. So just try to find out these solutions. Just relax on that the paper is absolutely going to be in your benefit. We have already lost one attempt. We cannot lose another attempt on that. These are small tricks which I wanted to share with all of you. I hope they will help you out. If there is anything else also you would like to go into detail, you can find those videos. A lot of videos on ACCA as well as CA you can find on my YouTube channel as well. And if there is anything which I can help you guys on, please feel free to comment on my video. Thank you so much and all the best.